Good morning. Welcome in South Florida. I'm Gio Insignares in for Eric Yutzi.
I'm JC Birch, and it is Friday, going into a holiday weekend, and we know Tropical Storm Elsa is on the move with South Florida in the cone of concern. So let's get straight over to our Weather Authority meteorologist, Julie Durda, has your tropical update.
That's right, JC, Gio in South Florida. You know, this system has been rapidly moving anywhere between 20 to 26 miles per hour since it developed. So it is racing to the west-northwest. Currently, as of 5 a.m. at 28 miles per hour. It is located 70 miles east-southeast of Barbados. It did strengthen just a bit, very little, to now 60 miles per hour. Forecast projected path still has Florida, much of Florida now, not just South Florida, highlighted in the forecast cone of concern as we go into early next week. Again, lots of questions that we have with this system will start to be answered as the system moves into the Caribbean. So as of now, there's still a lot of unknown of what's going to happen with the impacts that could be for us here in our own backyard in South Florida. It really does depend on what's going to happen with the system going into Saturday and Sunday, especially if it has any interaction with Jamaica or possibly Haiti, and then especially the interaction it has with Cuba. Could make the system much weaker, and it could actually steer the system more westward, which is some of the models are hinting that, staying over the Gulf of Mexico, very west of the Keys. Then a couple models are pushing it over the Bahamas and just east of us. So because of the uncertainty, you see how the models pretty much converge until Jamaica, and then they diverge, noticing that they fan out. That's why the forecast cone is so large. One thing we know is an immediate threat is tropical storm force winds and rains for the Windward Islands, the Leeward Islands. And as of the 5 a.m. advisory, the National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane watch. As you notice in the forecast cone, we are expecting the possibility of the system to strengthen to 70 miles per hour just south of Haiti and nearing Jamaica as we go into Sunday morning. So again, take home message right here. Uncertainty still high for South Florida, and that's why we'll continue to watch the system all weekend long. And you're going to keep it tuned right here because I'll be able to break down the forecast. We saw some morning showers over Surfside, unfortunately, someplace we do not want it or need it. And it looks as though at least that rain finally has pushed offshore for now. More